Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever accidentally triggered the Seek to Undo feature on your iPhone while using apps? If you find this feature rather annoying or unnecessary, don't worry, because I have got you fully covered. In this quick guide, I'll show you the easy way to disable the Seek to Undo feature on your iOS device. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone. And then you have to choose the accessibility option. And then you have to scroll down to the physical and motor section and then select the touch option. And then you have to scroll down to find the Seek to Undo option, and then you have to turn off its toggle, and that's about it. You have successfully disabled the Seek to Undo feature on your iPhone. Now you can use your device without worrying about unintended interruptions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it, and do subscribe for more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.